Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to update the YouTube app, and now let's dive right in. Now to update the YouTube app, first we'll be required to open the Play Store of our phone and not the YouTube app itself. So let's open up the Play Store, and after opening your Play Store, guys, at the top of the screen you can see there is a search bar available for us. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for YouTube over here and search for it. And you can see, guys, the YouTube is available for us at the top of the list. Let's tap on the YouTube at the top of the list, guys, and you can see over here, guys, currently the open button is available for me, but in case if the YouTube app on my phone had required an update, there would be the update button over here instead of the open button. Since my YouTube app is up to date on my phone, I won't be required to update it. But in your case, if there is the update button available for you instead of the open button, then tap on the update button over here, and then your YouTube app will be updated momentarily on your phone. And that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to update the YouTube app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.